Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Your account is verified and payments are linked so listings can publish. Once done, open the seller dashboard and locate the specific sale entry. Make sure its status is not pending or removed. You should capture the item ID, timestamp, and any recent edits. This helps you trace where the pipeline stalled. If the sale is visible in your transaction log but not public, note the server region and asset type, because those details guide the next corrective steps. Once you have identifiers, inspect propagation and caching. Clear local cache, force CDN invalidation if available, and check the server region selector. Make sure item metadata matches marketplace rules, price format, tags, and content allowances. Mismatches often block display. Then perform a controlled relist. Edit a non-essential field or increment the item version and save. This forces a reindex. You should wait a few minutes for background jobs to process. Then recheck the publics. To finish, verify the sale from a different account and in an incognito window so you rule out local caching. Compare timestamps and index ID. If the sale still doesn't show, gather logs, the item ID, and step-by-step reproduction and contact platform support. Include server region and CDN timestamps. As a practical workaround, consider refunding and recreating the sale or using an alternate listing method if available. If problems persist, escalate with your evidence so engineers can trace server-side indexing failures.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.